Okay, today we are going to unbox and review the details and specifications of the Utopia. Utopia is the latest flagship smartphone from the Televentures, which is claimed as the most powerful smartphone on the planet throughout its promotion. Even though if you can see on the tagline on the box itself. Okay, I ordered this mobile through Amazon because it is available exclusively only on Amazon. Okay, let us open and check the details of the box, and the box itself giving a premium look. Okay, what is given on the back of the box is the hardware features of the mobile and the Cyanogen, the OS which they have used in the mobile, as well as the processor name Qualcomm Snapdragon DTS sound, which is claimed it's a very good quality, and the 4G LTE support, and the model name is for U5050. Okay, let us check the details of the hardware details which were given on the top of the back of the box. That is the processor details, the Snapdragon 810 with octa-core clubbed with 2.0 GHz and 1.5 GHz. And if you see the GPU, there is the 3D graphics core. The display, the striking feature in the display is the WQHD with 565 ppi, that is pixels per inch, which is we can see in the most of the latest mobiles in this price range. And the glass is covered with Corning Conquer glass, which is the latest in the smartphones. And again the memory, the ROM 32 GB, which is consisting of 32 GB ROM, and the RAM is 4 GB. In few websites it is mentioned 3 GB, but it is 4 GB RAM. And the camera, coming to the camera, it is a rear camera having a 21 megapixel camera with True Tone dual LED flash, where you can see this in many of the mobiles in the same price range. And blue glass IR filter, this is from Sony, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. And coming to the OS, it is again Cyanogen 12.1, that is Android 5.1.1 based version, commonly known as the Lollipop version. And here is given the connectivities which the mobile will support: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro USB type, and all the other supports which it will support connectivities. And the bands which it will support, like GSM, 3G, 4G, LTE, all the bands were mentioned here. And going to the sensors, the additional feature which the Televentures has not installed in the previous mobiles is the fingerprint identifier, which we can see in iPhone also, this feature. And the video records different types of video records. Coming to the battery is packed with a 3000 mAh with a quick charging QC 2.0 technology. Okay, this is what we have seen on the back of the card, the details of the hardwares in the phone. Okay, let us open and check it, the mobile. And coming to the price tag, the price tag is here. If you see the 24,999, it is almost 25,000. Okay, let us open and check the what is available in the box. Okay. Okay, the first thing what we will see is the mobile itself in the box. Let us open and check it out. The mobile, yeah, the mobile looks so compact in design, because since it is a 5.2 inch display itself, not 5.5, so it is giving a totally new look, compact look in the smartphone. Okay, let us come back to it later. Let us check what is in the box. Okay, first thing you see the SIM remover toolkit. Okay, and inside the cover we can find inside the cover we have the screen guard, which is provided in all of the Televentures mobiles. Okay, and other than this, we have a protective cover. This is protective for the back panel. This also came in the box. Good. And we have user guide, warranty card, and some other details, some other documents. Okay. And we have a regular standard USB cable. And we have this additional quick charger, which will cost, when you want to buy outside separately, it is they have given in the box itself from Travel Charger. Okay. And we have the one more thing is this is the Marley. Okay, this is the headphones which they have claimed a good quality headphones which are available in the market from the house of Marley, and few websites also mentioned that it will cost around 1000 rupees, and this is coming in the price tag of 25,000 itself. Okay, they are given the extra cushion buds, earbuds cushion, and it is bundled in the cover. The earphones, okay, let's just check. Okay, they are giving a premium look. Okay, they are given more importance to the sound quality, as they are mentioned on the box also itself. Premium earbuds from the Marley. Okay, let us come back to mobile. Okay, if you see the mobile, okay, this is the mobile covered with a having the, okay, coming to the front side of the front side of the mobile, you will see the, at the top you will see the speaker grill, and below that with the U logo they have given, and the camera next to it. The camera, front facing camera, is 8 pixel, and coming down you see here the LED notification light at the bottom of the mobile, and over there you can see the mic also for talking on the calls, for the calls. And coming to the back side of the phone, if you see at the top here you have a mic while taking the front camera using the rear camera, and below that you will see the elevated glass for the back camera, which is a 21 pixel camera where it is covering the lens, a little elevated from the panel. And if you see the panel is very slippery, and the designing, the finishing is very good. As they mentioned, or as they claimed, they have used the aluminum metal flaps. Earlier, in the earlier mobiles from U Televentures, they used to use the plastic or some other material, but this time they have come with the metal flaps, metal panel on the back of the mobile. Okay, and if you see the bottom of the back side, you will see the speaker grill, and below that again the mic grill. And you can see the USB port for charging, where it is used for charging. At the top you find the 3.5 sound jacket used to insert the headphones. And again, as you see on the back side, you will find the finger identifier sensor, which the additional feature which come in the U Televenture mobiles. And if you see the right side, you will find the volume buttons and the power button in the middle of the volume buttons. On the left side, you will find the tool remover kit flap, where we can insert the SIM cards and as well as the SD card inside the panel. On the whole, if you see the designing and the antenna bands which were used on the back side of the canal, which will give an additional strength for the signal. The design is very good, and the mobile is also looking very compact, not 5.5 inches. Since it is 5.2 display, the size has been reduced very much, and it is very handy and easy to carry. Even the edges also are very smooth. Finishing has been done very good. The metal used is very fine, and if you see the border of the front screen, it is also giving a premium look. On the whole, the mobile is giving a very premium look, except the elevated camera from the back side. If it would have been immersed into the panel, it would have given a better look. And if you see on the back of the camera, that is as mentioned in the back of the box, the dual tone flash LED flashes here along with the camera. Okay, again the weight is also not that much heavy.